Welcome to Real Talk with Garrett and Laura. Today we're going to be going over charmless houses.
Yes, we will talk you through ways to add some interest by updating in layers. You make it functional, and then that modernizes it, and then you can decorate.
Awesome.
So the first thing that actually helps to add some interest to a home is to modernize it by making it functional.
Obviously, we've covered a lot of old house things in the past couple of weeks because those are very common in Seattle. So there's likely going to be a need to make things more functional for modern life in the houses we're looking for in Seattle area.
For example, say your house doesn't have a primary bathroom. That is super common. Maybe you decide to add one by cutting into another bedroom and making that bedroom into a home office because now it's too small. But that new bathroom with modern function and updated decor, updated decor is going to add interest to your otherwise, bland house. And it's going to help a ton. Actually, another good example, Garrett, is the portico you added to your house in Hillman City.
Exactly right. Yeah, and it's both functional and adds curb appeal as well. So my house didn't have any sort of entryway, so rainwater could just get right into the front of the home. But it also created so that the beams to the foundation of the house were getting rotted because there's just water going straight down the side of the house. So we added a portico on the front porch that adds charm, adds character, but is also functional to keep rain and at least keep it a little bit dry right on the entryway.
Awesome. Yeah. I hope people know what a portico is, but we'll show a pic.
The peak at the start of the house.
Yeah. So we're also going to talk about adding charm and interest. So it all kind of layers on top of each other. Like I said, adding that function can add the charm and interest as you keep going. And you just be shocked how these things go hand in hand. Updates can lead to a ton of charm if you let them. Right. So the one point I really want to drive home, though, is the need to prioritize character in the updates. So you guys, please honor the era of your home. And do it in a fun way. And if you have trouble with this because your home is from 1996, hire some help. There are really, really reasonable options out there, especially when it comes to designers. There's lots of great people out there.
Yep, we'd always recommend hiring a design professional. The good news too about them is that they're also a neutral third party, if you will. So if you hire someone to do the design of your place, then you can take those drawings to a contractor and say, can you execute this? So that way it makes it feel too that your contractor's not overcharging you or doing stuff that is more than what you'd want.
Yeah. And the virtual design thing is not just a COVID thing. It's been going on for a really long time. So it's well established. And designers have awesome ideas to add hints of interest. So that, it might be that it's era appropriate with some, schoolhouse life for an older home. Or it could be just bringing in that really bold piece into a house that doesn't have any charm that you never would have picked out on your own, like a bright blue chair or a light fixture that felt too edgy for you, but actually goes really, really well with the rest of your neutral stuff.
Yeah, those design professionals are going to be able to have your measurements, have the pictures of your home, and then give you a good mock-up and plan for what can be done. So with all these charmless homes, we really recommend, getting modern function, adding the charm and the interest, and then don't be afraid to lean on those design professionals to help you see stuff that you may not otherwise have done on your own.
Yeah. And do not fear the vanilla home because you can, make it spicy on your own later on.
I hope this makes you realize that if your home is boring or not spicy, you can still make it better. So yeah. Thanks for watching this time, and we'll see you next week.